In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watch on Amazon Prime Video. Whether you're on a computer, phone, tablet, or smart TV, this walkthrough will make it simple and stress-free so you can start streaming in just a few minutes. First, sign into your Amazon account, head to the Amazon website, and log in with your usual credentials. To make sure you can watch included content, confirm that your account has an active Prime membership or a free trial. If you're unsure, check your account settings to see your membership status. Without Prime, you can still rent or buy titles, but shows and movies labeled as included with Prime won't be free. It's also a good idea to make sure you're on the correct regional Amazon site for your location, since availability can vary by country. Next, open Prime Video. On a desktop browser, you can find Prime Video in the main Amazon menu or go directly to the Prime Video website. On mobile devices and smart TVs, open the Prime Video app and sign in with the same Amazon account. If you haven't used the app before, update it to the latest version and connect to a stable internet network for the best experience. Now, search for the title you want. Use the search bar to type the name of the movie or series and select the exact match from the results. If it's a series, make sure you're on the correct season and episode. If you don't see what you're looking for, try adjusting your spelling or using the full title. Before you hit play, check availability. If you see Watch Now or Play with an included with Prime label, that title is free to stream with your membership. If it says rent or buy, it's not included with Prime, and you'll need to make a payment to watch. Some titles may show free with ads, which means you can watch at no cost, but will see limited advertisements depending on your region. Availability and pricing can vary, so if something looks different than expected, it may be due to licensing in your area. When you're ready, start watching. Click Watch Now or Play and use the on-screen options to choose your preferred audio language, subtitles or closed captions, and video quality if your device supports it. If your internet is slower, selecting a lower quality can help prevent buffering. You can pause, resume, or switch devices at any time using the same account. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Amazon tips and tutorials.